Okay, so hello, future engineers, future ECEs, and welcome to our subject, which is Electronics 2. So the focus of our Electronics 2 subject is on the analysis of circuits and at the same time of designs. So for this entire semester, we are going to know a lot of things about designing and analysis of circuits. So, in this entire semester, ang kailangan natin focusan is the circuits regarding transistors. And still, the focus of the discussion is on the bipolar junction transistors or the transistors. So that we could better understand the concept of circuits as applied ang ato nga transistors. Let's go back, let's have this review as we have as also the interaction para sa sininga subject. So we have to go back and take a glimpse again of what is a bipolar junction transistor. Junction transistor. Symbol, schematic symbol. So, ay pwede nyo na or kaya nyo na recognize ang symbol ng BJT and A circuit. So, kung makita pwede nyo na mahambang that is a transistor. So, now we have so the invention of BJT in 1948 led to a revolution in electronics. BJTs made possible the design and manufacture of lightweight, inexpensive miniature electronic devices desirable in modern apparatus. Isa gid sa pinakanami nga contribution or effect sa discovery of junction transistors miniaturization. So if you could remember before, isang nagagamit pa kita vacuum tubes. Vacuum tubes is dagko na siya nga daan. So if we will be making a system or we will be building a computer, for example, so ang i-cover nimo, mag-ubra ka lang isa ka computer, almost isa na kada ko nga room. So after the discovery of the transistor, so bisan hindi pa siya muna kadagko, but medyo naamat-amat naton paggamay ang mga devices ang gina-invent naton, ang mga circuits nga ginagamitan naton sang transistors. The transistor is only about 5 decades old, yet it is replacing the vacuum tubes in almost all applications. So, if lang to naton subong and the modern nga settings, so dako-dako gid ang role nga gina so transistor plays a part of gan synthesize. So the reason are obviously its advantage over vacuum tubes, such as compact size, lightweight, more resistive to shocks and vibration, low operating voltage, long life, and so on. So, amo na yung mga advantage ng aton nga transistor over the vacuum tube. So, the word transistor is derived from the combination of two words transfer resistance. It means that it is a device which transfers a low resistance into a circuit having high resistance. It was already discussed kung paano gina-transfer ang resistance or paano natabo ang transfer of resistance. So, pwede natin balikan sa previous natin nga discussion sa electronic 1 kung ano ang natabo nga na-transfer natin ang resistance. So, transistor in general are classified as bipolar or unipolar type. So, the bipolar type has two p-n junctions, while unipolar types have only one junction. So, focus ang ating discussion will be on BJT or junction transistor. Mas may junction sa construction of our circuit. Bipolar because we are referring here sa dua ka polarities na gina-consider natin. We have holes here and we have electrons. So, it is defined as a three-terminal semiconductor device whose operation depends upon the flow of electric charge carriers within the solid. So, three terminal semiconductor device. So, if you could remember, may ari nagwa nga mo nga question sa atong exam. So, it is a current controlled device. So, paano nga nangin current controlled device siya? So, if balikan naton, ang aton nga transistor is operating sa kung i-forward bias nato ng aton nga emitter to base na junction. So, ang matabo, uh, ay na lang gali, ang masapos nga explanation is your transistor can act as a switch. So, kung ang matabo, kung transistor, pwede natin siya ma-visualize as pares sa original nga switch. Switch nga nag-turn on, for example, sang suga or nag-turn on sa mga fan. So, instead, nga nga i-turn on mo gid ang specific nga device, ang kakatabo ang mahimo sila is your transistor. But ang kinanglan matabo para mag-activate siya, kinanglan mo supplyan sang current sa imong nga base. Ang current nga imo nga gin-apply sa base, amo na ang makontrol kag ma-turn on sa imong nga transistor. So current controlled. Kay current ang imo nga gin-apply to control sang output na gusto mo matabo. So they are constructed in the form of two semiconductor junctions, rather like two p-n junction diodes joined together. Okay, so if lantawon natin, dari we have the construction analogy is one, requires no siya mo sila. And then, medyo familiar na matas ang symbols ang aton nga transistors. So, this transistor has three terminals. So, namely, we have the emitter, we have the base, and we have the collector. So, may ara siya dual junctions. So, we have the B and C junction or the collector base or base collector junction, emitter base or base emitter junction. So we have the collector base diode, however, is reverse biased, and normally you would expect it to pass no current. So for a transistor, dapat ang imo nga forward bias is ara sa base kag emitter nga junction. Then ang imo dapat nga collector base nga junction should be reverse biased. So remember ito na. So, but if the emitter to base diode is conducting high current, this influences the reverse bias collector to base diode to pass almost as much reverse current. Okay. Electronics 2 subject. So I will be making another video for the further nga discussion about sa transistors. So thank you everyone and watch out for our next discussion video.